What's up, guys? Join cards here. We got 2 break sweet spot signatures.
Yeah.
First, they gave us these stupid, I don't know what they're, Future Stars packs.
From 2007, so it says they have Dice K autos in it, so
Yeah.
maybe we'll get something. Maybe we'll get something.
Mark Teixeira, Emil Brown,
Who cares? Who cares?
Ivan Rodriguez,
Okay, who
Derek
cares?
Lee.
Alright.
Now to the stuff you wanted. We'll just,
You can go
no,
first.
you can go first. We'll go thing. We each got one here, show me.
Okay.
Sorry. I hate aging. Oh man, this is my first box break in so long.
Open.
Let's see your packs in. I don't hear the same thing. Any patches, maybe? Just put them. No, probably not. No, they're not going to both have a patch.
You go first.
Okay.
Oh, shit's on camera.
I like it. Okay, let's go. Sweet. Off the front. Mariano Rivera base. 850. Orlando Hudson base. 850. Pretty cool. I don't know why it's looking like that, but Carlos Beltran jersey. Not numbered. From the back. Vernon Wells jersey. I'm not sure which is the helmet. Okay, the back is.
No, the helmet's
Helmet's in the back.
sure.
Pitcher, Yankees pitcher, Matt DeSalvo.
Whoever the hell he is.
I think he's pretty good. Alright. 13 of 15, Brian Bruni. What? Who the hell is Brian Bruni? Look at him, look at his face. He looks like a well, it's 13 of 15, I guess. So I got 2 Yankees autos. I mean, can't really go wrong with that.
Alright.
Brian, just look at his face. He looks oh, it's a red autograph, red ink, whatever.
Alright, I think I'm gonna go.
I'm gonna look him up. He's on the Yankees.
Alright.
Gotta be something. I got 3 out of 6 Yankees cards.
Alright, let's get a Jeter.
I can't really
Let's
complain.
get a Jeter. Alright,
I'm gonna look up see who he is.
Oh, I got a redemption. God damn it.
Dude, that's expired. What if it's Jeter?
Yeah, that sucked.
That's even worse. Sorry.
Like dumbass. Sean Green to 850. Rich Harden, jersey.
Go from the back. Let's go with jersey.
From the back.
I kinda wanna get another one of these.
Maglio Ordonez jersey. That sucks now. Alright. Helmet.
Travis Buck, that's not
Travis
bad.
Buck, rookie auto.
He's pretty good.
Cool.
Let's see what the redemption. You can have a look at it.
Alright.
If it's-
Redemption.
if it's
kind of thick. Oh my
Who would have been
goodness.
4?
2007 Sweet Spot, signatures tier, 2 glove, leather black ink, Rich Harden.
This is on the brew.
God damn it.
Alright,
Walk.
well, these kind of suck. Yeah.